In this video, I want to show you how to connect your PC computer, Windows computer, to your Brother HL-L2465DW printer. I'll show you how to connect them, how to print, and also how to get the scan results from here directly on your PC. So let's get started. Step number one is to connect your Brother printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. So let me show you how it is done on this control panel. You're going to press once on the menu button, and you're going to press on this button right over here, the minus button with an arrow. Press it a few times until you see network on the display. Then press OK to confirm. Select number 1 WLN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Press OK again to find your Wi-Fi network. You're going to press once on this top arrow button. And you're going to wait a few seconds. The printer is now scanning for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are located around you. Here is the first one. If this is not your Wi-Fi network, press the minus button over here and you'll be able to shuffle through all the different networks that the printer has found. Once you see your Wi-Fi network, you're going to press OK. And now it's time to type the password. Unfortunately, this printer doesn't have a keyboard. So how is it done? Well, it may take a few minutes, but you need to use these up and down buttons. So if I press on it, you're going to see I'll be able to select any letters, lowercase letters, and then if I continue, it will switch to uppercase, capital letters. And if you continue, you may also get these symbols if your Wi-Fi password has symbols. So I'll go ahead and type mine. Every time you want to select something, press OK. It will register and it will go to the second letter or number of your password. All right, I have finished typing my password, and now I simply have to press once more on OK to register my password. You're going to press once on the top arrow over here, simply to select yes, and now you're going to wait. And we need to add the Brother printer. So how it is done, it's very easy. You're going to go into the Start menu over here. Sometimes you have the Start button on the corner of the screen, and then you're going to select Settings. From here on the left side, you're going to select Bluetooth and devices, and then you're going to select printers and scanners. Now it's time to click on the Add Device button, and it should find your Brother printer. So let's be patient, and here we go. It's right over here, Brother over here, Brother HL-L2465DW. Yeah, this is the one. So I'm going to press Add Device, and without you having to download any software, any drivers, the Brother printer will be added to your PC. Right now it says connecting. It may take a few minutes, so let's be patient. If you're stuck in connecting mode and nothing is changing, what I suggest is that you close this window. Sometimes there's a bug with Windows computer where the printer has been added, it's just not showing to you. So at this point, open any file that you wish to print. And I'm pretty sure the printer got added. So let me open a random PDF file over here. I will go ahead and select the print button. And now on the left side over here where you see printer, you're going to select your Brother printer that should appear in the list. Here we go. You see Brother HL-L2465DW. I told you it got added. It's just that in the other screen that I was showing you, it got stuck in connecting for a reason. I have no idea why. So select it. And after that, you'll have a few different settings you can change, like the number of copies. Do you want to print on both sides of the paper? Stuff of this nature. You have more settings over here if you want to change. And at the end, press the print button. Usually in under 12 seconds, the printer should receive the file to print and should go ahead and print it. Here we go, it started. And these are the results. Perfect. Now let me show you how to scan a document and get the file on your PC computer. So to use the scanner, first of all, let me open it. Take the document you want to scan. Let's say it's this page, and you're going to place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. Now it's time to properly align this page. So you see there is a logo over here of a paper. This means that we need to bring this page so the corner of the page touches the corner of the scanner, that is the top left one, just like that. Then close the lid. On your PC computer, you do not need to download anything. I mean, most people will not need to download anything because most PCs these days come with an app that is called the Windows Scan app. So go into the search bar over here and simply type scan. You should see the scan app. It came included with my PC, but if your PC didn't have this scan app, you simply need to go into the Microsoft Store right over here and search for scan. And yeah, it's a free app. It's made by Microsoft. It's legit. Here we go. I have typed scan just to show you how it looks. And it's this one over here, Windows Scan app. Go ahead and download it if you don't already have it. And now you simply have to select under scanner your brother printer, that is the HL-2465DW. Wait a few seconds, you have source, just leave it like this. File type, choose what kind of file you want to have, show more, and you will be able to select in which folder on your PC the result will go. And at the end, you simply have to press the scan button. It will take around 50 seconds and this document will appear in the folder that you have chosen on your PC computer. So this is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If you want to support my channel, leave a comment, subscribe, but also check my Amazon links in the description of the video where I have put links towards paper for this brother printer and also a replacement ink toner. Every time you go through my links, I get a small commission and it helps supporting my videos. Have a beautiful day and I will see you in the next video.